All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about these scrapers from Mueller Kueps. Probably butchering that name. All right, these scrapers are like the super scraper, that style. Carbide scrapers with a flat bevel on them. Unfortunately, nowhere on this package does it say country of origin, so I don't know. Probably Germany, but don't quote me on that. Now, these type of scrapers are not for aluminum. Now, I'm going to show you some footage of me scraping in a water pump out of a Volvo with this scraper. It's not recommended. It was a scrap water pump, and I was using it to demonstrate. Because if you've ever done one of those water pumps, you know those paper gaskets on Volvo water pumps suck to get off. So, but I used it as a good example. These are excellent scrapers. If you're doing anything where you've got cast iron and you need to scrape, get you a set of these. I'll try to put them in the Amazon store, so if you want a set, you can get them. Very similar to the super scraper, as you know, same style, just different handle, but excellent scraper for steel. Again, don't use them on aluminum. I mean, you can, but you're gonna scrape it. And for all those guys that wondering why I'm sweaty, that's what temperature it is right now in the shop. So when you wonder why I'm sweaty, that would be why. Because I always get comments about, why are you so sweaty? I'm in a closed shop. It's 100 degrees in here. I'm hot. But I'm doing it for you guys and gals. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so I get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. Or kind of the soggy Flat Rate Master.